2008 to 2010 Chevrolet HHR-SS. Riding the nostalgia wave of retro automotive design, Chevrolet introduced the HHR, a modern car styled after their post-war Suburban. But while the standard HHR was a functional family wagon, the HHR-SS brought unexpected performance to the equation. Under the hood, the HHR-SS featured a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, churning out an impressive 260 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. This front-wheel drive car was available with a choice of a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed automatic. With the manual, the HHR-SS could rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds. Despite its boxy exterior, the HHR-SS turned heads with its sporty design accents and surprising agility. While it only lasted a few years, clean examples of this performance-oriented wagon are on their way to achieving cult classic status, appealing to enthusiasts who crave a fun, practical car with a retro vibe. 1997 to 2002 Plymouth Prowler. The Plymouth Prowler is a car that came straight out of a designer's sketchbook and onto the roads. Conceived in the mid-1990s, the Prowler's production extended into the early 2000s under Chrysler's banner. Its daring design was a throwback to the classic American hot rod, with its open front wheels and aggressive stance. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, the Prowler initially delivered 214 horsepower, which was later bumped up to 253 horsepower in the 1999 model year. While its 0 to 60th time of 5.9 seconds was respectable for its era, the Prowler's rarity, it saw just 11,702 units produced, combined with its audacious style makes it a standout piece of 2000s automotive history. 2005 to 2008 Dodge Magnum SRT8. When Dodge rolled out the Magnum, they created a muscle car with a twist. It was a wagon. The SRT8 variant, in particular, left a lasting impression. With a 6.1-liter V8 engine producing a 425 horsepower, this car wasn't just about looks, it could perform. The Magnum SRT8 sprinted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 5.1 seconds. With its aggressive styling and raw power, it provided practicality without sacrificing muscle car performance. Wagons have historically struggled in the US, and the Magnum was no exception. It never quite reached the same level of popularity as its set-in counterparts. That said, enthusiasts and collectors today are beginning to see the value in this unique muscle wagon, making it a worthy addition to any collection. 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird was designed to revive the glamour and nostalgia of the original 1950s model. Named Motor Trend Car of the Year in 2002, the Thunderbird seemed poised to reignite interest in luxury personal cars. Powered by a 3.9-liter V8 engine delivering 280 horsepower, the car could hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. Despite its promise, the retrolicious Thunderbird didn't capture the public's interest the way Ford hoped and was discontinued after the 2005 model year. Today, the 2002 to 2005 Thunderbird has earned a new kind of appeal. Its failure during its production years only adds to its charm, and its retro style is now seen as endearingly quirky. 2000 Lincoln LS V8. The Lincoln LS was a surprisingly capable luxury sedan that shared its platform with the Ford Thunderbird. It was powered by a Jaguar-sourced 3.9-liter V8 engine, delivering 252 horsepower. Sporty driving experience. The LS offered a balance of performance and comfort, with its sharp handling and firm ride earning praise from automotive critics. However, Lincoln struggled to shed its stodgy image, and the LS couldn't compete with its German and Japanese rivals in terms of perceived prestige. Today, as naturally aspirated sports sedans fade into history, the Lincoln LS is gaining a new appreciation for its blend of American luxury and performance, making it a hidden gem among modern classics. 2006 to 2009 Cadillac XLR-V. The Cadillac XLR-V is perhaps one of the most underrated luxury roadsters of its time. A supercharged 4.6-liter Northstar V8 engine under its hood produced 443 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Equipped with Cadillac's magnetic ride control, the XLR-V offered a smooth yet responsive driving experience. It was designed for well-heeled retirees in search of a stylish and speedy ride. Despite its high performance and exclusive features, the XLR-V was overshadowed by its European competitors. Today, the XLR-V's rarity and unique combination of luxury and performance make it a highly collectible car that turns heads wherever it goes. 2000 to 2003 Subaru Impreza WRX. Subaru's WRX series made its US debut in the early 2000s, and while it was initially overlooked, enthusiasts quickly realized its potential. Equipped with a 227 horsepower turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive, the WRX was a rally-inspired sports car in disguise. Although its bug-eye design wasn't for everyone, this generation of WRX cemented Subaru's reputation as a manufacturer of practical, fun, and reliable performance cars. As the WRX continues to evolve, these early models are becoming increasingly sought after by enthusiasts and collectors alike. 2003 to 2006 Pontiac GTO. Pontiac's attempt to bring back the legendary GTO nameplate didn't go quite as planned. The fifth-generation GTO was criticized for its understated design, which lacked the visual flair many expected from a muscle car. However, its performance couldn't be ignored. Powered by a 6.0-liter LS2 V8 engine, the GTO delivered 400 horsepower from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. While it failed to capture the retro muscle car look enthusiasts wanted, it more than made up for it with raw performance. Today, the 2003 to 2006 Pontiac GTO is appreciated for what it is: a sleeper performance car that delivers muscle car thrills without drawing too much attention. 1999 to 2006 Honda Insight. The first-generation Honda Insight wasn't about speed or power, it was about efficiency. This quirky hybrid was the first mass-market car in the US to use Honda's integrated motor assist system, achieving outstanding fuel economy at the time. The Insight's teardrop shape and lightweight aluminum construction made it an efficiency champion. While it wasn't as popular as the Toyota Prius, it laid the groundwork for Honda's future in hybrid technology. Today, the Insight's unusual design and pioneering status give it a unique cool factor, making it a standout at car shows. 2002 to 2005 Lexus ES300 Sport Cross. Lexus took a bold step by introducing the ES300 Sport Cross, a sporty wagon variant of their popular IS sedan. With its sharp handling and lively performance, the Sport Cross had the makings of a great driver's car. Unfortunately, it was only offered with an automatic transmission, which limited its appeal to driving enthusiasts. Combined with America's general aversion to wagons, the Sport Cross struggled in the market. Today, this rare Lexus wagon is appreciated for its unique styling and driving dynamics. 2009 Pontiac G8 GXP. The Pontiac G8 GXP was a swan song for the Pontiac brand, offering enthusiasts a taste of what could have been. With a Corvette-sourced 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering 415 horsepower, this sports sedan could rocket to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Unfortunately, it arrived at the worst possible time, as Pontiac neared its demise and SUVs dominated the market. The G8 GXP was doomed to obscurity, but today, its rarity and raw performance make it one of the most desirable Pontiacs ever made.